Jules LeBlanc is an American YouTuber, actress, singer, and former gymnast. In December 2018, Business Insider called her one of the most famous teens in the world. She has built a multifaceted career spanning digital content creation, television, music, and film, amazing millions of followers across platforms like YouTube and TikTok. LeBlanc was born to parents Katie and Billy LeBlanc, who run the popular family YouTube channel Bratayley. She has a younger sister, Hailey LeBlanc, who is also an actress and YouTuber, and had an older brother, Caleb LeBlanc, who tragically passed away in 2015 at age 13 from hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. The family originally lived in Severna Park, Maryland, before relocating to Los Angeles, California to support their children's entertainment pursuits. LeBlanc began gymnastics training at age 2, and her parents started posting videos of her routines online when she was 3. In music, LeBlanc released her debut single Ordinary Girl in November 2017 and scored a Billboard hit with a cover of Fly by Maddie and Tay, peaking at number 34 on the Hot Country Songs chart. Collaborations included a viral cover of Little Do You Know with co-star Hayden Summerall, which reached number 30 on the US Digital Song Sales chart. Her 2018 singles like Little Things and Picture This with Austin Brown built her pop country catalog, culminating in the compilation album Lollipop on iTunes. Transitioning to traditional TV, LeBlanc starred as Lex in Nickelodeon's Side Hustle 2020-2022 alongside Jaden Bartels. In 2018, she featured in Usher Angel's Chemistry music video and narrated the web series Sunny Side Up. She also co-starred with Hailey in the food competition Annie vs. Hailey.